Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Dataflow to pub/sub for streaming ETL, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Platform console. Navigate to the Dataflow section in the left-hand menu. Select Create Job to start a new Dataflow pipeline. Choose from Template to utilize an existing Dataflow template. Search for the template titled pub/sub to text. Select the template to open the job configuration options. In the configuration screen, specify your job name. Set the region where you want the job to run. In the Input pub/subtopic field, enter the name of your pub/subtopic. Specify the output location for your processed data. Choose the appropriate file format for the output data. Adjust any additional parameters as needed for your job. Review your configurations and ensure everything is correct. Click on Run Job to begin processing. Monitor the job status in the Dataflow monitoring dashboard. Check for successful job execution and view any logs for insights. If needed, make adjustments to the job configuration based on the logs. This process establishes a seamless connection between Google Dataflow and pub/sub for efficient streaming ETL tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.